What's going on, everybody? Dark Kraken here. Today I'm going to be doing the drawing, which I have all of your guys' comments in this box that I'll be shuffling with. I also want to talk about upcoming things. I know I said I was going to do this on Tuesday, but I was sick and I'm still a little bit on the weather side. So yeah. So it's going to be hard for me to get some videos out, but I'm going to try to get as many videos out as I can. I know this week, sometime this week, I'm going to be starting my Subnautica videos. Excuse me. I'm also going to be getting a group together, and we're going to be playing some other games that, sorry, I'm not feeling that well, so my brain's out there. So we're going to be playing some games that you guys might be suggesting in here. I'm also going to be getting games. When I draw these, it's not going to be immediate when you get these. There's some people, like, I'm going to have to get them, and then I'm going to have to submit them and all that. So it may take a while. So let's get on to the drawing so that you guys can know. So I'm going to shake this up without looking. Alright. So I'm going to draw 3 because there's going to be 3 winners. So here's 1, 2, and let me do one more. 3. Alright. So, we've got our 3 people who are going to be winning. So, let's see who they are. So, the first one that I have here, Gene, he is asking for me to play Battlefront 2, and he would like a GameStop gift card. So, Gene, your name has been drawn. So, that's 1. A second one, Carly Subnautica, and the game she asked for me to play is Subnautica, and she would like an MJR Cinema gift card. Alright. Number 2, Matt. He asks me to play Jurassic World Evolution, MJR Cinema card. Alright. Thank you guys for bringing in your suggestions. I'm going to be doing some more drawings, so if you didn't get anything today, you may be getting something later. Who knows? So, yeah. So, I'll be getting those out to you guys as soon as I can. I'm also going to so more on the side of the game things. I'm going to be doing Subnautica. I'm going to be doing a Minecraft series with possibly a few of my friends. There's going to be some other videos that I'll be doing, but we're still trying to figure those stuff out. We're also going to be doing a Star Wars Armada game thing, which is a life-size game board. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, thanks for watching. The people that won, can you put in the comments your name and all that, so that I know in this video, so that I know that you watched the video and that you saw that you won, so that some people, so that I can ask you some questions about where to send this and all that. So, alright, so until the next video, possibly, I'm going to say possibly, possibly either Monday, Thursday, or Friday, more likely Friday, I'll be doing, the start of the Subnautica video. If you guys have any other suggestions for games that you would love to see me play, but that I possibly will be able to play, but not for the drawing, go down in the comments below and tell me the game you want to see me play, because then I'll do a whole series. If it's a whole series game, I'll play it until there's like nothing left. What else? That's pretty much it. But you make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and give it a thumbs up, so that you guys can stay notified, subscribed, and like the videos, so that I can do more of these drawings, so that you guys can possibly win some free stuff that you've maybe wanted or not ever heard of. So, alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye!